Welcome to another video by your handyman, Leatherman. Today we are going to be talking about gutters. Now, in my last video you saw where I put in built rain barrels. Well, I ran into a problem because this gutter just runs right off the end. This is my storage building. So we are going to do something different in this. We're going to mount a drain for the rain barrel. So stay tuned and we're going to get to it after this. As you can tell, there's no hole to mount a drain. So I bought this. It's got the hole for the gutter, and this, we're just going to slide it right over, and we're going to mark a hole. So we're just going to kind of fit it, situate it in there, snap it in just like that. Figure out where I want it. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to get a marker, and we're going to mark that hole. Okay, so we got our magic marker. We're just going to stick it in here. Something along those lines, just like that. Now we're going to take it back off. Should just snap right off. Slide it down. We're going to make a hole. Really get another one of those things. Those things are getting dull. Safety glasses, very important, especially when you're cutting metal. Now I've got my sawzall with the metal bit, which is too big. We're going to cut a hole a little bit bigger. That's tricky. Okay, now I've got my handy Leatherman Super Tool 300. We are going to bend these flanges down. You don't have to be pretty. Now we're going to get our silicone. We want to keep the water silicone all around the edges. It also works almost like a glue. There we go. Slide it down, slide it up. And just like that, we've got a drain. So I'm going to put a little bit more silicone around it to keep it from maybe leaking. I'm probably going to get a ladder and silicone the top. But I think this, now what we got to do is we got to put this on the end. It's just a cap for the gutter because it never had one to begin with. It just went right off the end. And it's barely going to fit in there, but I'm going to silicone it really good. I gotta grab a ladder, I can't do this. Okay, I got me a step stool. The cap I've got does not match this gutter. It won't slide over it like it's supposed to. So we're gonna slide it into it and silicone it up really good. And once you know it, the gutter's loose. But I've got some special screws for that. These are gutter screws. They come in different types. They got the little plastic deal that keeps you from smashing it all the way. So we're going to pull the old one out. It really just comes right out, it's just a nail. Slide the new plastic deal in. There we go, nice and tight now. Now let's silicone this thing in really good. There we go. I'm ready to mount my rain barrel now. We're going to put the rain barrel right here and put the downspout right into it. So stuff like that you don't have to be scared about. You know, if you're going to do something like we're doing with the rain barrels and you don't have a place where you're wanting to put a gutter in, you can simply do something like this. It's not very hard to do. We can come back with some spray paint letter on and blend that in and make it look pretty decent. This is my shed, so it's in the back of the yard, so it's hard to see anyways. But anyways, thank you so much again for enjoying this video. If you guys doing stuff around your house, don't be scared to try new things. So until we meet again, you guys have fun. Stay out of trouble. All right. Where's the rain? It's supposed to rain today.